So today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic. Elon Musk recently introduced a new LLM model that is Grok 2 beta release. Okay. Before deep dive into the topic, if you're watching my channel first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's discuss about Grok 2 beta release. Elon Musk recently introduced a new LLM models to members of Grok family. That is Grok 2 and Grok 2 Mini. These two models are capable of solving many future-friendly capabilities in chatbot, coding, and reasoning tasks. Okay. At the same time, they are introduced Grok 2 Mini, a small that capable of solving Grok 2 many use cases. And there has been tested the two models on the leaderboard, that is the Arena LM system, and they called the name as under the name SAS column R. That is the name they have written in the leaderboard. And also at the same time, they said that if this model is outperforming both Claire 3.5 Sonnet and the GPT-4 OpenAI GPT-4 Turbo model. And they said that Grok 2 and Grok 2 Mini are currently available on X. And also they said that they are making these both models available through their enterprise API later this month. They are planning to release the enterprise API so that everyone can use it. These models has been, as I said, has been tested through LM system Arena chatbot. This is one of the popular competitive language model benchmarks, and when they tested it, this new model is outperforms both CLAD and GPT-4 model on this leader score. Let's quickly discuss about the overall score and how it actually outperforms, that we can discuss in the graph. So take a look at this. I hope the screen is. Let me zoom it. Okay. So if you see here, this is the overall performance they have tested in the leaderboard using Arena chatbot. When they compared this model with the new model that is named called as SAS or column R, this is the Grok 2 model that was recently introduced by Elon Musk. This is outperforms compared with the other models, as I said, Clad 3 and Clad 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4 Turbo model. And still, there are some more models are outperforming GPT-4o that was introduced on Mammoth and the Gemini 1.5 Pro, and also the latest ChatGPT 4o model. But this is outperforming with other LLM models called Clad 3.5 Sonat and as they said, and the Turbo OpenAI Turbo model, 4 Turbo model. Okay, let's quickly discuss about the benchmark performance, the scores between the other other LLM tasks. So if you take a look at graph, this graph says that they have the benchmark results between the other LLM model. Okay, these two model they compared with the different LLM models, that is the Turbo model, Clad 3, Opus, Gemini 1.5, and Llama GPT-4o and Clad 3.5 Sonnet. So if you take a look at this, the MMLU task, the Graph 2 Mini and the Graph 2 giving percentage of around more than 86 percentage, and it giving a 85, 87 percentage. But still, when compared with GPT-O model is giving the highest percentage. When compared with other model and other LLM task benchmarks, it is outperforming in Doc VQA benchmarks, it giving the percentage of 93%, more than 93% in both models. And also if you take a look at this model, it also giving in other tasks. Okay, but when compared with the turbo, if you are comparing the percentage with turbo model and the, as they said, the sonat model, this graph family is giving a highest score in many of the benchmark results tasks. Okay, and what next? As they said, they are planning to release later this month. They are planning to release the enterprise API, and also they are planning to release a multi-model understanding as the core part of Grok experience on X and API. Let's wait and see how the model will be. We can discuss that in later once they have introduced. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with the fans. Stay tuned. Bye bye.